Dogecoin holders, let's kind of talk about something that we're starting to see here. I'm expecting a little bit of a push back to that 45 cent range, 46 cent range, and I'm going to kind of explain why. Currently onto the 4 hour chart, we are starting to kind of consolidate here, but we do got a break of the trend that just recently happened. Right now, we do have a lot of consolidation coming along with Dogecoin sitting right around that 40 to 50 cent range, not wanting to retest around that 48 cent resistance that we've seen previously. A lot of the market has been doing pretty good. Dogecoin has been stable. With the stability of Dogecoin, I say there's a lot of money that is being moved around in a lot of these altcoins, going into like Bitcoin definitely during the runs, XRP, and some of these other ones. But overall, I think Dogecoin is handling up pretty nice. We did start to kind of see a double top on the 4 hour, and it got rejected whenever it hit that break of that trend. Whenever we broke that trend back up, we're starting to kind of see it going to retest that 45. But if we continue the same type of volume on Dogecoin, it's just a matter of time when that volume increases. We're going to see that break of that resistance of that 48 cents. Y'all can even see here we hit that 48 cents right back on November 23rd, going on to the November 22nd. You can see that the volume has started to pick up within the market itself. With the Dogecoin trading indicator, we did have over 149% gain on it. We did start to see a break of a trend, nice little jump there. So you can kind of see with the break of the trend what potentially could happen here, around an 8% gain. Sold off some there, around 5% there. Now I'm expecting a little bit of a push back up, around a 6% potential gain on Dogecoin very quickly. If we do try to retest that, we break through that 45.5, more than likely we're going to hit that 48 cents again, try to retest. If we do that on the hourly time frame here, you can see that we're kind of slowly channeling up. So we're starting to kind of see if we're going to break the trend on the 1 hour. If we do, we're going to try to retest that 45 very quickly. Going on the 10-minute time frame too, you can see that it's not wanting to break below the support of the 43.4, which is actually good for us on the hourly and 4 hourly time frames. Within the day chart of Dogecoin too, you can kind of see it back and forth. We did have a doji candle, but that doji candle did make us a little bit bullish because it went back in our favor. It does look like it could be potentially seeing maybe a little bit of a drop on the daily chart, but overall with the 4 hour and the 1 hour, I say on the short term we're going to try to retest that 48 cents. Right now, if you take a look at the weekly chart, you can also see that Dogecoin has been bullish for quite a while. We was back here back in June of 2021, right here at this same level, kind of rejecting it. Potentially could see a little bit of a pullback on the weekly. If we do see that, that's going to show what we're seeing here on the daily chart. But majority of the time, what we'll see is this going to be a cup and handle. If this cup and handle is going to happen on the weekly time frame, you can see Dogecoin break out when the time is right. Majority of the time, that's going to take quite a while, definitely on the weekly time frame. That could take a long time here. Right now, with the 15-minute and the 45-minute, you're also seeing that there was a double top. We are starting to break out of that trend there. That was kind of what's pushed us down a little bit here in this area. We started to kind of see that double top shape also on the 1 hour, kind of climbing back up. We might try to retest around that 45. If we do, that's going to be an ascending triangle. If we start to see that, that could be potentially an ascending triangle, which could also be bullish, sending us back to that 48 cent resistance to kind of retest that. I am bullish on Dogecoin. I do think Dogecoin is going to pop off when the time is right. When the volume starts to come in, I say Dogecoin is going to be the next XRP.